How's it, guys? I'm Ryan from Iron Line, and today I'm at Sell My Truck, our big brother in the industry. I'm very proud to be wearing their brand today. These guys, for me, are the most trusted when it comes to auctioning off these amazing trucks. We are launching with our first mega truck auction. It'll be next week, Thursday at 10, that's the 31st. So come on down, you don't want to miss this. And the most awesome part for me is there will be a spit bra. I'll be here if you want to come and chat to me about trucks and cars and meet Mornay and Devon. Remember one thing with us, you're never a number. It's one-on-one personal service. Look forward to seeing you guys on Thursday. Dank all.